Good morning everyone. Welcome to new video. In this video, I will be demonstrating you ANB stream. So as you know that we are developing our own custom UI system, that is ANB UI. So sidewise we are also developing our own pre-made backend code like PDF generation or Excel generation. Currently I am making here ANB stream, which is a multi-user socket system. So let's get into it. So as you can see, this is ANB stream. Okay, so it's a multi-client socket-based system. That means if you want to transfer data from one system to other, you can use ANB stream. Okay, and the main thing is it's completely free because it works on the Telegram. That means it uses Telegram as a medium to send our data from one system to other. So it's completely free. Okay, so first let's its implementation. Okay, so we'll get a good view of it. We'll save it on desktop. File, file. Okay, please save it. Desktop. Maybe paste file 31. So first of all, we'll start by importing ANB stream from ANB core.stream. Sorry, ANB stream import maybe stream, sorry, stream. Okay, now we'll create an object stream. We have to give a name can be anything. Okay, like I will give Dev Anand. Okay, and now we have to pass token here. So this part I will tell you later what is this token and chat ID. But let's import. Actually I don't want to reveal my token and chat ID, so I will import it. Okay, from other file test dot chat ID is test dot chat ID. Okay, now I've created object. Let's send message or data. Okay, first of all I'll create data. Okay, data can be anything like uh, name of a student, anything like Virat. Okay, role 18, marks 90. Okay, now we'll send this data to maybe wait stream dot post. We'll use the post method. Okay, actually this is a quick demonstration. Okay, so for that reason I'm not covering everything in detail. I'm just showing that how it actually works, because it works keeping Telegram as a medium. So for that reason I want to show you that algorithm, that process, that how this all of this works, because of course Telegram doesn't have this system. Telegram just gives you API to control the chat system, but there is no this multi-socket connection thing that Telegram provides. Okay, okay, first let's post. We'll post to Devan, no, so Dilip Kumar. Okay, and we'll give data. Okay, now let's run it. You can see messages are sent into Telegram. You can see the notification. Yes, that is success. That means message has been posted. Now let's see the message. This print. Okay, so in now in one system we have posted message from Devanand to Dilip Kumar. Okay, and now what you have to do, that is in the other system you have to write this code. print stream dot get Dilip Kumar, because Dilip Kumar is receiving messages, right? Okay, we'll remove this. Okay, you can see this is from Devanand. Data is all of these things. Okay, and there's also a few optional parameters. Actually, but let me just see what here it will be somewhere. Um, just paste that down on this. Yes. Show new message and hide old message. So new message means if you want to, now I have seen this message, right? This message. Now if you want to see messages which are new, means now you will not see this message because you have already seen this. Now the message after this, if you want to see, then you have to keep it true. Show new message and hide old messages means suppose I have seen this message. Okay, so next time this will not appear. Okay, so let me do first, because this is a multi-user system, so not only messages that is coming to you but also to other users, it will also show that. Okay, so for that reason these two parameters are there. Okay, you can keep this as optional. Okay, no need to change anything else, that's okay. But okay, now first let me to explain you that how this whole thing works, or we want to play around. Okay, now we'll make a new user. Same Devanand, but to, okay, we'll make here Raj Kapoor. Okay, Raj Kapoor will be sending message to Dilip Kumar, and we'll keep this off. Let's see. Oh, okay, that's correct. It has sent the message. You can see here this is from Raj Kapoor and all of this message. Okay, if we'll keep this off, that is show new message, that is false. Okay, hide all message, that is false. Then now this will not get erased. Okay, you see, I will make it again Devanand, and same I will post a message and I will print. Because the previous time this was true, so now it has deleted Raj Kapoor's message. But now if I will keep it as Raj Kapoor, you see, now again Raj Kapoor message will also appear. That means the one message will not get erased. The first one is for posting. Okay, this is a return type for this method. You can see here, this first is Devanand, this message, then again Raj Kapoor and said this message. Okay, if I will keep this true, then I will not see the message again because it has gone old, right? Wait, I am posting, then I will see the message again. Sorry for this, I just missed. Now I will see, now I will see. Okay, but now I am not going to see because actually previous time I was posting. You can see here it's not updated yet. Okay, the message yet. Okay, again you see not updated. Okay, so you can play around this, and this is completely, now you can see I have implemented Raj Kapoor there, and you can take any person you want. Okay, to send to any person, it will show all the data. So now the main thing is how this actually works. Okay, so for that let me to go to Telegram. You can see here this is a group. Okay, so what Telegram is actually providing is, so you know Telegram bot API. So Telegram bot API is something, a service provided. Wait, let me to hide this. Can you hide this? Okay, So what Telegram API actually provides, Telegram bot API provides is, it provides all set of API endpoints or functions to control the bot inside that chat. Okay, that means you can control, you can send files to the chat. Like here you can see that Python WhatsApp is a bot. Okay, here it is a bot, and I'm sending files to this chat through this bot. And you can also change the description, like I have changed here the description through the bot API. And you can check pin message also through bot API. You can access everything, but there's also certain limitations, like a bot cannot read its own message or a other bot's message. Okay, but a user API can, but still there are many other limitations. But keeping all those limitations in mind, I have created this complete system, so to make a complete this multi-user socket system. Okay, so what actually I'm doing is, let's actually get the graph. Graph means this png file where you can see this is the algorithm or the flow chart of the post method. Let me to first make you understand to how this actually works. So here first of all what happened, now we are giving the data. Okay, first of all we are giving data, it is uploading it here. Okay, bot is uploading the data here. You can see data.txt, it is our data. Like here I have given this data, it is uploading it here. And after uploading, it is generating a file ID. Okay, now you have the file ID. Then what it will do, it will fetch the description. Here you can see description, it will fetch its description. This first this number, this represents the Unix time. Okay, Unix time is time, the number of seconds or millisecond, I think. No, millisecond will be more number of seconds after 1970 year. Okay, this you can just search in Google. This is Unix time, and this is the file ID. Now what it does is, first of all I have said it will upload the file, then it will get the file ID, then it will fetch a description. Okay, so this description contains the file ID of the instruction file that has been already sent. Okay, it is already sent before all of this activity post method. When you are creating this object, this has been already in the init function, it's written that a file or an instruction file will be sent. Okay, that instruction file contains the I mean the data, that whom, the from whom and to, that means who is sending the file to whom and what is the file ID. Okay, all of these instructions are contained in that instruction file, which is been sent here when you are creating an object. Okay, so what we are doing is, first we are fetching the description. Inside description there is ID of which ID, now the instruction file ID. Okay, we're getting the file part, then we're getting the instruction file. After that, initially we have get the file ID, right, of the data uploaded. That file ID is converted to file part. Actually, in order to get the file, first of all file ID has to convert it to file path. Like in description, file ID has converted to file paths. Here also file ID will get converted to file path. After that you will get the original file. Okay, so here first of all we are uploading the data, then we'll get file, then we'll got the file part, and that file part will add to the instruction. Okay, so now I think you understood. Let me to again recap it. First of all I will upload a file here, I will get a file ID, then I will go to the description, fetch description, get the ID of this description, fetch the file which is already sent here, that is the instructions file. Okay, then I will edit the instruction file by adding this file ID or this file path to the instruction, because this is the data which I have uploaded. Okay, this is data which I uploaded, and now I'm adding that file ID to this instruction. After adding that, I will again upload this file. Okay, then create file ID, then I will manage date, time, and all of these things. Then I will modify the description. That means I am fetching the instruction file from this, editing it by adding the file ID. Okay, then sending it back to the description. Okay, this is the complete post method. Okay, first data upload, then file ID. Data will upload where? In here. Okay, this data will get uploaded here. then I will get the file id of this data. I will store it in somewhere. Then I will fetch description. Why I am fetching description? Because that contains the file ID of the initial file or the permanent file. Okay, which is that is the instruction file which is created when you call this object that is defined in the init function itself. Okay. After that, where the chart? Yes. After that, I am getting the instruction file out of it. Then that file id which I have already stored, I am adding that to the instruction. Okay, then I am uploading again the file, then it is appearing again in the description. Okay, so now this description contains the updated the location of the this data. Okay, so this is the complete post method. Now let's get into the get method. In get method, what happens? Wait, where telegram? Yes, first of all I will fetch description get method. Okay, then I will get the instruction file from here. Okay, then I will extract the file id. Now here I have given, you can see here. Wait, let's got all of these things. I have written here Dilip Kumar. Okay, that means when I am opening this instruction file, I will extract which, that means who, how many users have sent messages to Dilip Kumar. Okay, according to that I will extract all the data. Okay, then I will again enter into that cycle. Okay, so this is the complete cycle how ANB stream works. Maybe I don't think I think okay, so this is the complete cycle how this ANB stream works. So if I'm not understand it completely, I'm not sure because already it's night 3:57, nearly 4 a.m. I mean morning 4 a.m. and I have not slept because in order to make this video I was making all those setups. But I will be soon releasing a documentation where everything will be written, and I hope there will be no doubts further. And this is the demonstration video. I want to show you that how through Telegram, you can see here there's so many files uploaded by the bot, and you can also see here this is the ID. Okay, this is the ID through which all this connection happens. You can also see here this is my class stream, and this is init function. This is the get method through get message. This is the fetch data method. Okay, and this is the post method. Okay, where is the post method? Yeah, here's the post method. Okay, so all the things will be releasing it sooner, maybe 20 days. I think 10 to 20 days it will take, because now we're developing ANB UI and we'll release it at a time, at one time only. We'll release ANB core and ANB stream, I mean ANB UI. There's also other backend packages in ANB core. Let me just show you. This is ANB sheet, this is PDF, this is RAR, this is pod, this is server. The server is nothing. Wait, and this is stream. Let me just show you another ANB PDF. Okay, we will, okay, let's run the script. F5. Right. ANB course, that is PDF. Oh, so we need to import it. Okay, okay, sorry. We have to actually import it. Sorry. Right. Let's open it here. Desktop, main.py, main.py, not sure. Cancel. Okay. Okay, with that, I will see you in the next video. And you can also send whatever backend facilities you want. Okay, like and next I will be working on background remover, image background remover, which will be needed during login screen when user will be uploading their photo. Okay, it will automatically remove all the background. Okay, so you can also send us in the Telegram, or you can join our Discord server. Okay, so with that, I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.